Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Owen Dowell here, and I've got kind of a just it's not a fun video to make. Got to be honest. Some of you have probably already heard this news if you follow Zippo Fanatic, but if you don't follow Zippo Fanatic, then you may or may not have heard that. Unfortunately, we lost a very important member of the Zippo community. Mr. Comrade T MAN passed away earlier this month, and I've been taking some time to myself. I've been spending some time trying to process things and sort of figure out, just how to take care of myself and cope as best that I can. Because Tristan was a really good buddy of mine. He is the only YouTube viewer that I've actually ever gotten to meet in person. And that's just so cool. I met him back in 2015 for the first time. So yeah, he was a big part of my life, and we've only ever made like 2 videos together, but he's mentioned me in a bunch of his videos, and I mentioned him in a bunch of his videos, and we've kind of all sort of done our parts to I guess like kind of help each other out in making videos. So what you see in front of you, these are all zippos that have memories that are attached to them. I'm just going to kind of go through each one and kind of explain what they all are. But yeah, this happened at the start of November is when I found out about this. I found out about it the same day that everybody else found out about it. And I just wound up taking a bunch of time off of work that week so I could just kind of, take care of myself and think about him and reminisce him and all that stuff, and not have to worry too much about other things. So yeah, this is the Zippo Ice Paisley, which is actually a video. This is the only new Zippo video that I've actually gotten to do with Tristan in person. He came to my apartment and we shot this video here in Raleigh. He got this from his Marlboro rewards. We were collecting Marlboro rewards points. He was obviously, he's a smoker. I'm not a smoker, so he was keeping the codes, and we saved up enough points to actually purchase this, which is pretty cool. So that's the Ice Paisley. It's a really beautiful one. It's really nice. This is a Hawaii Zippo. As I understand it, his dad was in Hawaii a few years ago. I want to say back in like 2018, and Tristan had him pick this up for me, which is very much appreciated. This is a very beautiful bird of paradise Zippo that can only be found in Hawaii. It's on a brushed chrome. So yeah, Tristan just sent this to me. Actually, when we get to this one, he sent this to me along with this one, which we'll get to here in a little bit. But yeah, that's the bird of paradise. It's a really beautiful one. You can see the age of it there. This is a compass. This is just one that he literally, I believe he gave this to me. There's 2 possibilities. Either when we were going to Smoky Mountain Knife Works one day, he gave it to me, but I actually think he gave this to me when I was helping him move from Creedmoor, North Carolina to Boone, North Carolina. I think that's when he gave this to me. I can't exactly remember, but he has a couple of these. This one still has a price tag on it, but the tag is actually pretty hard to see. It's just a little black matte one that he gave to me. Actually, you can see that the bottom stamp there is, still coated. So yeah, he gave this to me. I remember he gave this to me when I was driving him somewhere, and I think that was when I was helping him move. This is actually my own high polish brass armor that I bought back in 2012, and I actually was going to make a video about this sometime this year. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, but this Zippo is now 10 years old, which is really cool. As you can see, it was made 10 years ago. But it had a problem where the lid, like the hinge here, got extraordinarily loose. It got really loose, quite bad. And Tristan wanted to send some of his Zippos in for repair. So what I did was I was like, well, here, I think I handed it to him in person. I was like, well, here, why don't you send that one in as well? And, you can talk about, this, you can, that'll give you just another one to send in. because at the time I was a big advocate of sending in multiple zippos for repair, to kind of make it easier on a flat rate box type thing. So that's what he did. But when he returned this to me back in, I want to say January 2018, he sent me a parcel. He had included this one along with it. So that's when he decided to send that one to me as well. This is from a Smoky Mountain Knife Works trip. In fact, both of these are from when Tristan and I went to Smoky Mountain Knife Works together. I'm holding here, I don't have the luxury waves and the copper anymore. I sold both of those. But those are some other ones that I got with him at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Did I get the luxury waves with him at Smoky Mountain Knife Works? That may have not been with him. That might have been with actually that one was with my family. So these are the only two that I got with him at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So we went twice, and we were going to make it kind of a habit to kind of go there as frequently as possible around the end of the year. I was actually really kind of hoping we would get to do it this year because I want to check it out during Christmas time. But yeah, this is the alligator armor. As you can see, it's a really, really pretty. Now it's called a high polished green, but back then it was called the chameleon finish. And this is the 360 box top, which you can see has a 360 design based on the box there. If I take it out, you'll see that it wraps all the way around. So yeah, you can you can see where the sticker was. That's kind of funny. So yeah, I'm glad that I have all these zippos, from Tristan, or that I got while with Tristan, that will just always remind me of him. I think that's pretty cool, and I'm gonna miss you, buddy. I think about you every day. I've actually, before making this video, was watching some of your videos on YouTube, and it's been nice. It's been good to hear your voice, and I'm glad that you have your YouTube channel online, so I can continue to like listen to you just ramble on about whatever we used to ramble on about back on when we would call each other on like Facebook Messenger and stuff. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hate to break the news to you guys, but yep, he will be deeply missed. I was gonna do I was thinking, I didn't know really how to do this video. I just decided in the end I'd just do this style video where I just kind of go and talk about all the zippos and stuff. So anyway, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and just feel free to leave any sentiments and anything that you happen to know about Tristan, or anything that you appreciated in our videos together. If you want to see one other video that we did together, go on his channel and look up the one chip challenge. That is the other video that we did, and that was a blast. I still love watching that video. That one chip challenge kicked our butts, so that's kind of a fun one. But if you want to watch this one, that one's on my channel if you want to see the two of us together. So yeah, that's gonna do it. Rest in peace, buddy, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later.